Happy birthday, bud. It's not my birthday. Are you sure? Do you not? Are you are you sure you don't know what day it is? Man, it's not my birthday. It's not your birthday. No, it's not my birthday. That's what I'm telling you. Well then whose birthday is it? It's that other guy. It's probably really not his birthday because the video is like viral, but the guy. The guy is like, it's like real depressing. It's kind of funny, and it's like, it's got that other. Oh yeah, the one with all the emotional value. That's the one. That's definitely the one. You got a lot of my shit went out. Yeah, I got one here. Thank you, sir. You are a gentleman and a scholar. So you gonna let me tap that, huh? If you got something to put down, man, you old head's funny, boy. Here's your lighter back, man. Hey, you mean old head? What you? I'm 28 years old. Old head. Old head, boy. I over here on TikTok trying to make videos and shit.
You're right. I have a white gold grill, 18 karat gold, right?
Yo, that's crazy as fuck. What is it with us white people, man? I had 8 to the top, white gold, 18 karat as well. What the fuck, man?
Say, do you feel guilt?
No.
I mean, it's one thing to be an actor on a set and not expect to be given a real gun, but it's another thing to just be a straight up piece of shit. Like, what the I don't know if anybody noticed that, but Buddy got that dick drip, you know what I'm saying? I get a bag and we blow it down like a tower. Ashes fumble to the ground while I humble and act of power. Smoking like a house lit on fire for about an hour. Rising with the heat, I'm getting high, going up with the flower. I'm coughing off and I promise it's not the Rona. Smoking on my stimulus, sticky to strong marijuanas. If I want to, then I'm gonna. If I roll up where I wanna, I'ma light the blood up, I condone it. That's the point I'm trying to make. Take a break and light the joint up. All that other shit can wait. Your state of mind is most important. Inspire higher performance and fire prior conformance. Ignite the light in the quarters. Master flight while you torch it. Where's my light?
Jojo Bo. No Bo Jojo. Your cat is like, oh no. Camila lost Sean, heartbreaking like Shilana. Kim is kissing Pete, I bet she tasting Ariana. Kylie looking like she Willy Wonka. Got a new groove like she Krunka.
Pull up in the Sri Lanka.
Patrick Star ran so that Jeffree Star could walk. He moved to Wyoming, now they both live under rocks. She hates avocado, but she like that guac guac. Come here, Jake Gyllenhaal, I just wanna talk. 2 seagulls, family with some evils. It should be illegal for them to keep making sequels. They milk it like a cow, but the udders are Vin Diesels. Killed a couple weasels.
I've never had measles.
Imprinted on her kid, he doesn't wanna dig. David laughs so much it's like he wants MJ's gig. Lips small, lip big, Q-tip with a wig.
Am I gonna collab with Peppa Pig?
Talks fruity, judges more than Judy. Removed her BBL Uno, reverse card on her booty. Lil Uzi, third world country with the butt from Gucci. Tyra feeling woozy.
Can you believe we don't have a jacuzzi?
We could work it out. So what are you doing now? I've got a flight in a few hours, and this Uber surge is a gouger. And I think wouldn't it be nice to get a cheeky airport ride? But how do I ask it naturally? I use a little reverse psychology, 'cause my friends are older now. I gotta keep it casual. Like, hey, it's such a nice day, we should take the freeway over to the west side. But can we take your car? Doesn't matter when, as long as it's before 10. Or what are you doing now?
If there's a fire in your kitchen, and when your roof just won't stop leaking, I got your back without you even asking. If I gotta whoop somebody's ass, I'ma do it with passion. And when it gets too dangerous, gotta call 911. You can hit me up, 'cause you know I'm the one. Whenever you need some in emergency, or when you just can't sleep, and I'll slide through for you with that urgency.
Beat up my homeboy girlfriend cause I saw her cheat. Now he mad at me.
Now, sir, I am going to tell you that your friend is very ungrateful. However, you probably should have never put your hands on the woman. Now, you might be facing some charges. I wouldn't be surprised if the police were on the way.
Think to myself,
What the fuck, Richard?
Out there, it's me, Steve. I don't.
You don't what, Steve? You don't fucking what? You don't feel fucking sorry for fucking leaving us, you fucking asshole? The nerve of your fuck ass. Coming around here, talking about I don't know how to do this and that and the fucking third, like you want us to help you and support you? Ain't nobody getting no fucking support around here, goddammit. Why the fuck should we support you? You left us, bro. You abandoned us. You don't remember? That's why I'm the way I am, man. That's why I'm a fucking degenerate. Steve. Thanks. Motherfucker. In the winter wonderland. Got that in my eye, dude. Yo, what the fuck are you doing? I hope you can hear this. Sometimes it's so hard to lift my head up. I don't know why I struggle just to get up. Until I get high and my eyes start to red up. I will fantasize different lives in a leg up. I walk a fine line, but I'm fine in the middle. People talk lines like rhymes in a riddle. Y'all speaking soft crimes while you lying on a fiddle. Won't listen to your chimes, no, not even a little. It's a simple state of mind that allow me to be civil. Kill the ignorance in mind. Now my mind is a widow till death do its part. Mark the calendars and memos. It's a date you can't escape. Don't leave your purpose in the limo. What is calamity? A loss of love, a treasured vanity, a new indignity, an embarrassment that needs a canopy, a cover up where you could blubber up and find your sanity, a shutter shut where you could club a Dutch behind the metal sheets and detach the body sheets, relax the body while the rest of us escape. Tell grandma I'm on the way. Now I know I never lost.
You question everything.
People were created to be loved. Things were created to be used. The reason why the world is in chaos are because things are being loved while people are being used.